Aloha folks, welcome to my channel of Island Living. Once again, I'm doing another video of some of the long-term products that I have stored up for myself. In this video I have 3 different companies here, and they're just added to my supply that I have. I have a long-term storage and a short-term storage. So with that in mind, I have 2 pails over here at Wise. Wise meat and poultry supply, which contains, it says 60 servings, total of 15 pouches. Have roasted chicken, Southern West style chicken, teriyaki style chicken, long-term instant rice, stroganoff beef, cheesy beef, and Savior roasted beef. And both of these are the same. So I bought these from Wise, I believe it's 2018, before I even heard anything about them. And I'm not going to speak any negative things about them. I have not yet tried anything in the pail. Again, this is for long-term storage, and I choose not to open any of my containers. So, and then I also had bought this from them as well. It's a 72-hour package that has a total of 34 servings, and it has the breakfast, lunch, and dinner entrees. So it says it has brown sugar, maple, multi-grain, cereal, apple, cinnamon cereal, Southwest rice and beans, chicken flavored noodle soup, creamy pasta and veggie rotini, and Y milk. So that's a 72-hour box that I bought for emergency supply from Wise. These 2 pails obviously were meat, and that's all 3 meals. I didn't put these in the last video I made. I forgot to add, for Augustin Farms, I also got the broccoli florets, and that's 28 servings. It's a number 10 can, as well as their Augustin Farm cheese blend powder, which is 43 servings. And I bought these at the beginning of this year, 2020. This NutriStore is this mozzarella cheese. It's freeze-dried. It's 31 ounces. What I just realized, it doesn't have a serving size on it. I've heard different things about them since I've bought it. I have not opened it. So I'm hoping everything is going to be okay. I've heard people they've gotten product where it's got powder or something in it. So, but I just noticed it doesn't have a serving size, and I guess maybe for cheese, I don't know. But so NutriStore. And then this I bought from Linden Farms, and this is 160 servings, and it's vegetable. It's a freeze-dried vegetable variety pack. I bought this in May 2018. Freeze-dried broccoli, freeze-dried corn, freeze-dried peas, freeze-dried potatoes, freeze-dried green beans, freeze-dried cauliflower. And I just wanted to have a variety of vegetables because I love vegetables. If it was between vegetables and meat, I would take vegetables first. So I've added these to my long-term storage that I've built for myself. And there is a few more other products that I'm going to show you some videos of. So keep preparing, keep prepping, keep your food assurance. People spend their money where they want to spend their money. So some people want new technology, some people want new cars, new houses, new clothes, and some people just want to spend their money on storing food. So with that in mind, I chose to start storing food 2 years ago. I was led by the Lord to start preparing for myself food to have stored away for myself because what was to come. So we are in 2020, and we are enjoying our time off. And I thank you for watching on my channel, Island Living. Once again, it's there's going to be different videos of the island, so if you want to enjoy those, you can watch those as I videotape different parts of the island and put those on YouTube on my channel. So stay healthy, be blessed, be happy, no worries, just keep your focus. We're going to thrive next year. We're going to bounce back strong as a country, United States. And as an island, we say we're Maui strong, island strong. We are strong, and everything's going to be okay. So, aloha. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Aloha.